Hey guys, what's going on? It's Nick Mac here. Forgot to make another intro to this video. I'm just going to give you a little backstory. Been bugging my buddy Ty for about a few months to go on a ride with us up to Minden Off-Road Park, and he finally caved. It's his first time ever out up north in the bush and the trails up there. So if you hear me like explaining stuff, it's just because he doesn't really understand some things. Yeah, kick back, relax, and enjoy the video. Fucking music going. All right, we're good. Let's go. That's your holy shit handle there, Ty. Oh, dude. Ready, Ty?
Like butter. Like butter bun.
You see how Kevin has to go that way?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're just going down the middle. This is where side by side shine. Oh.
You're gonna fucking talk me into getting a side by side. You heard that from me first.
Yeah.
Fucking goes through anything.
Goes over anything, man. Yeah. We did bottom out the frame there, though.
Yeah, that's alright. Not too much for it. This is a nice one.
This is shit like you're just like, there's no way. There's no way. I'm kind of interested to see if Coke can make it up here.
So understand it's effortless. Like not even a sweater.
Dude, I can have a bottle of water right now. Fuck.
Wow. That's impressive.
This is gonna fuck us up right here.
Nope.
Nope.
Not at all, man.
Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Corey said he broke.
So he bent the frame.
Bent the frame?
Yeah, that's what the code just said.
Maybe he bent the door. We want to go this way. Yeah, that's the way we wanted to go. Whoa.
Fucking thing's a beast, man.
Watch your face. Watch your face. Yeah, it climbs over pretty much everything. What's this? We'll go up this way. All right, I'll go this way. One of the fucking sway bars is loose. I'll go that way. Cole going that way? No, he's going the other way? All right. We'll wait for some people. See, the problem with having a big group like this, you don't want anybody to get left behind, right? Yeah. Here comes the mighty ace. Yeah! Yeah! I bet you thought the trails were nice and flat. These aren't even that bad. And this is like one of the easiest trails.
What's that?
This is one of the easiest trails here. Oh, we're gonna get skinny, Ty.
Oh, good. It's tight.
Woo! Yeah, you're getting muddy. Oh yeah, passenger gets way muddier for some reason. I'm not too sure why. I haven't figured that one out yet. Well, there's the ace. There's people behind him. Right here. Daryl might have problems with this. Yeah, you're not going down that cove.
He was thinking about it.
I know he was. Oh, here we go. You ready, Ty?
Oh, man.
You like that muddy shower?
Yeah. Nice and cold.
Bugs don't bug you as much the muddier you get. I think we're done with this trail anyways. I think this is over. It feels like it's getting over. Yeah, it's over. Are the moose trackers still there? Three more. I see 2 more sets of headlights.
Coming.
Yeah. Comes the bus. Comes the bus. Keep your mouth closed, Si. Go. Oh, here we go. You want to get out?
Yeah.
All right, take this camera and fucking film me going through this.
But I'm gonna go down the left side and catch you on the other side.
Yeah. Oh, he's going way too far. That's wasted footage. Oh, I'm getting wet. There we go! Woo! Yeah, man! The code goes through it on the ace! Yeah! I'm not gonna lie, you're gonna get a wet ass when you get inside here. I'm surprised the fucking the seat isn't floating. Look at you, look at what? Don't even say nothing. My boot is full of water. Good times, good times. Hey, did Cole get through there no problem? That mud hole?
Yeah, you did alright.
Yeah? You didn't have to stop?
I don't know, I didn't know I just had to touch the screen. I'm hoping I still got,
yeah.
Like, I didn't turn any, like, do any buttons or anything. So.
Hey, did you have to fucking back up through there at all? Yeah. Yeah, okay. I thought you made it like right straight through.
Snorkel box, snorkel though.
You having a good time or what?
I have that.
I knew you would. Especially when we do stupid stuff like that. Like I'm fucking caked in mud. Moose tracker down.
Oh, he's gonna have a problem now. Oh.
Moose tracker down.
So pour water on. Oh man, that blue striker is gonna have some problems.
Oh, I don't have my waders on. Keep thinking I got. Whoa! Oh, definitely in the fucking boot there. You think we can push it out or no?
I don't know. Oh, I get all dirty. Still running, right?
You got it in 4-wheel? Oh yeah. Got it? Fuck, I feel like I'm running in puddles. Not as young as we used to be, eh, Kevin? Oh, dude. Look, watch this. Dude, watch this.
I was like, oh, yeah. I've been better if a minnow fucking popped up. Just fucking give it a fucking.
Good thing I brought extra clothes. Alright, you think we can make it through there? I got a winch. Everybody's kind of left us.
Yeah, there's it.
Oh, alright. Like butter, buddy. Oh yeah, another puddle to play in, Ty. You're coming through me on this one.
No, man. No. I didn't bring enough clothes.
Huh?
Fuck, just don't turn back now.
Fuck, I told you to bring 2 bad pairs of clothes.
Yeah.
See, you think this hole's deep, but they cut, if you look, there's cutaways where they actually cut so that they can't get that deep. Like there's a cutaway there, a cutaway over there. We're going straight up. Oh, there's a tree at the top. Oh, well, we're going around it. Has this got water in it here? Oh, a fucking frog jumped up beside me. Oh, that was fucking brutal. That's gotten deeper.
Like nothing. That's impressive, bro. Fucking nicely done.
This is where I want to stop here. Where's he going? Oh, he'll get the picture. Alright, this is the fucking end of the trail. Break time. Don't hit me. Here comes the bus.